I'm sure you are already aware that the key part of repaying an education loan is consistently paying the EMI. But do you know how to calculate your EMI or how much you could save on EMI payments or interest if you start paying during the moratorium period? We understand that these calculations can be tricky, which is why many people don't even attempt them. Hi, I'm Anshul. Today I am bringing you a step-by-step guide on how to use the GyanDhan EMI Calculator. This tool will help you plan your finances and ensure you repay your loan effectively. Let's get started. Let's begin by navigating to the EMI calculator so you can easily perform all your calculations. There are two ways to do this. The first method is by visiting www.GyanDhan.com. From there, go to the menu bar and hover over the Study Abroad option. Click on it and drop-down menu will appear. Then navigate to the Tools option. Once you click on the Tools, another drop-down will open where you will find several Study Abroad tools. Scroll down to the last option, which is the EMI calculator, and click on it. The GyanDhan EMI calculator will open in a new window. Don't worry, if any of the other tools catch your attention, we will be making videos like this for those soon. The second and the quicker way is to simply click on the EMI calculator link in the description box below. This will take you directly to the EMI calculator page. Let's walk through how to use the GyanDhan EMI calculator in detail so you can easily figure out your education loan EMIs and make smart financial decisions. To get started, the first thing you will be needed to do this is enter the loan amount. You will find this field at the top of the calculator. The loan amount is simply the total amount you plan to borrow for your education. For example, if you need a loan of rupees 15 lakhs, you will type that into the field provided and make sure you enter the correct amount because this will directly impact the EMI and interest calculations. Right next to the loan amount, you will see one more option of course duration. This is the duration of the course for which you are enrolled in at university. This is an important field as it will directly impact your moratorium period. You need to drag the slider as per the desired month of your course. If your course is of 2 years, then drag the slider to 24 months. Next, you will see a field labeled Rate of Interest. This is the interest rate that your lender will charge on your loan. If you are not sure of the exact rate, you can check with your lender. Or if you are still exploring different options, you can use an estimate rate to get a rough idea of your EMI. For instance, if the interest rate on your education loan is 10%, simply drag the slider to 10%. It's important to note that a small change in the interest can significantly affect your monthly EMI. So if you are comparing loan offers from different lenders, this is a good place to experiment with your different interest rates. After you have entered the loan amount and the interest rate, the next field you will see is for the loan tenure. This is the period over which you will repay your loan, typically in years. For this, as well you need to drag the slider to the desired number of years. Longer tenures will result in lower monthly EMIs, but higher overall interest payments, while shorter tenures mean you will pay off the loan faster, but with higher monthly EMIs. You will also get an option of grace period. This is the cooling period that lenders provide you to find a job after graduation before your actual EMI begins. This can typically be 6 months to 1 year. You need to drag the slide as per your need and set the grace period. In addition to grace period, you will also given an option to choose does your repayment start while studying. There are two options there in form of radio buttons, yes or no. If there is a no repayment, you can simply click on no and move on. If the answer is yes, then click on yes and a new option will appear that will be labeled as Tell us more, an amount required per month. In case you pay the partial simple interest, then you need to select partial interest every month. From the drop down and need to enter the amount under the field amount required per month. In case you pay full interest or EMI every month, then you need to choose that. You need to ensure that you select these options carefully, as this will help you get the exact amount of EMI that you need to pay after moratorium. In the end, you will get the option to choose the dispersal option to choose between custom and default. Default setting is recommended, but you can explore custom as well to suit your needs. Once you have filled out the loan amount, interest rate, and loan tenure, and all the other fields at just the right side of the screen, you will be able to see infographic representation of your resulted calculations. This will comprise of a donut chart showcasing the portion of total interest and total repayment. Apart from it, you will get your monthly EMI amount, your total interest payable over the loan tenure, and your total payment, that is interest plus principal. If you want to test different scenarios such as changing the loan amount, interest rate, or tenure or anything else, you can easily adjust these fields. As then, when you modify the fields, you can see the result change. Yes, GyanDhan EMI Calculator has real-time functioning. This allows you to explore different repayment strategies and see how small changes can affect your EMI or total interest. In conclusion, the GyanDhan EMI Calculator is a powerful and easy to use tool that helps you get a clear understanding of your education loan repayment. By entering just a few key details, you can quickly calculate your monthly EMI, total interest, and overall repayment amount, empowering you to plan your finances with confidence. Whether you are a student just beginning the loan process or someone already in repayment, this tool can help you stay on top of your financial commitments. That's it for this video. Do not forget to calculate your EMI via the calculator. Do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel so that we can make a new video related to our other study abroad tool. Do not miss it. See you soon.